Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to be discussing luxury vinyl plank, or LVP. So luxury vinyl plank, obviously different from engineered flooring where it's real hardwood over a plywood core, or laminate, which is essentially plastic picture over top of HDF or MDF. LVP is typically, the core will be differentiated by WPC or SPC. So WPC is going to be a wood plastic composite. Normally that's shown as like a creamy color in the middle. And then the core on an SPC is stone plastic composite, SPC. And normally that core is shown as white to off-white, more gray for that stone portion. And these are waterproof products, so they can also be used below grade, bathrooms, kitchens, commercial. They really do hold up well, even when they are submerged. But again, the core of these is either a wood plastic composite or a stone plastic composite. And that composite, what I mean by that, again, you're looking at a like stone and plastic dust with some binders and pressed under tremendous amount of pressure to give you and form this core. And that's why these are so heavy. Like if you were to take a piece of paper, a ream of paper, and lift it, you know, that ream of paper is really heavy. That's because that is compressed and condensed wood fiber, you know, to an unbelievable amount of pressure. Well, a box of this material, or one plank, weighs more than a bundle of engineered hardwood, because this compressed material can get very heavy and it's under a lot of pressure. What they do with this is very similar to laminate, where they take a picture of hardwood flooring and randomize that picture so they will not repeat these colors and patterns over the course of X amount of pieces, so that it looks like random flooring in your house. They do a very good job of it. This material can be molded so that it can be like a click. It can be floated. A lot of them will have a pad underneath to give you some sound deadening. Again, these are very dense, so when you walk across them with certain types of shoes, you're gonna hear it. This rubber helps kind of disperse that sound and hide it. So again, below grade, over radiant heat, concrete, you know, these are great applications, high wear areas, you know, lobbies, foyers in commercial settings. But again, you're looking at a picture of hardwood glued to wood plastic composite or stone plastic composite. So if you have any more questions regarding luxury vinyl plank, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to City Floor's website at cityfloorsupply.com.